Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we have another progress video. Yeah, I'm just posting monthly progress videos. So just to record my progression and also to let you guys see how much I've improved. So yeah, I practice 3 times a week, usually about only like 10 minutes or so. I do like some slow solves to warm up, and then I do about 10 time solves. Yeah, let's see if I've been consistent over the past month or so. And looks like I have been very inconsistent. As you guys can see, during the month of May, I only practiced 1 time, 2 times. Oh, let me make this screen bigger so you guys can see. Okay, wait, no, not that. All right, this thing right here. All right. Okay, whoa. Okay, where is my freaking... Okay, yeah. So as you guys can see, I practiced May 2nd, May 3rd, May 16th, May 17th, May 20th. So yeah, actually, I did not practice for about 2 weeks or so because I accidentally left my cube when I went to visit my parents. And so yeah, for about 2 weeks I did not practice at all. So yeah, that's my excuse. So without further ado, let's see if I can still get a good time. I don't know, maybe we'll see. But yeah, without further yapping, let's get started. Let's get started, man. All right. Also, I will be going to vacation in 2 days for about 2 weeks or so. And yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to practice. Maybe I'll just bring my cube with me just to do some slow solves and like also fast solves. But I won't be timing myself because I won't be bringing my timer with me or my laptop with me. I'll only be probably bringing like an iPad or an iPhone. And to be honest, I have not used CS Timer on my iPhone or iPad, so I don't know. Probably just gonna do some untimed solves, just to maintain my skill. So yeah, without yapping, let's get started. All right. All right. I hope I scrambled this correctly. Okay, all right. I mean, decent cross, all right. Oh my gosh, I messed up the freaking PLL, bro. You know what? Actually, I'm definitely gonna bring my cube with me because I feel like if I don't practice, I'll just forget the PLL algorithms and all like the OLL algorithms. So yeah, I'm definitely taking my cube with me just to maintain my skill level when I go to vacation. That is okay. Like right now, I'm already feeling like I'm already messing up algorithms. Oh my gosh, all right. I hope this is recording. All right. I don't know, sometimes I just get a little bit paranoid for some reason. Oh yeah, I forgot to even enter the time. What time did I get? Bro, I forgot. Like I reset my time already. I forgot what time I got. You know what? Since there's no way to go back, I guess we'll just do a... Yeah, we'll just forget about that stuff. All right, starting over. All right. All right, let's get right ahead. Let's do, I'm trying to get done with these solves as quick as possible. I don't want this video to run on for too long. So without further ado, let's go on to the next solve. Okay. Frick, I messed up the freaking F2 out there. Oh my gosh, I confused the green and red and green and orange. Frick. Oh man. It's okay, just one bad solve. As long as we don't get another bad solve, we're good. All right, time to lock in, guys. Time to actually lock in. Deep breaths to lock in. All right, let's do this, guys. Okay. That was a smooth last layer, bro. Wow. You see how smoothly I did those algorithms? Wow. Okay, I'm getting some pretty good times here. Anything that's under 20 seconds is pretty good for me. All right, I'm getting a little paranoid here. Let me check. Okay, I think I am in frame. Okay, you guys can see me solving the cube. Okay, I think we're good to go. All right. Very good, very good. 1776. All right. We're looking good, man. We're looking good. As we don't get another bad solve, I think we're gonna get a sub-20 average of 12. Hopefully. All right. Good. Very good solve. 18.98. 6 more solves to go. All right. I mean, decent cross case here. Oh, frick, I messed up the F and PLL, bro. I did the freaking wrong algorithm. That's a pretty bad solve, bro. Frick, man, I need to get like really good solves. in order to get have a chance at sub-20. Fudge, man. Oh my god. Bruh. Bruh. Man, my PLL is getting a little bit rusty. Wow. Okay. Bro, my solves are getting freaking worse, bro. What is going on? I think I just need to calm down and yeah, deep breaths. Come on, man. All right. Deep breaths. Got this. Let's inspect the cube. All right. Bro. All right. You know what? Let's not worry too much about the result. Let's just focus on getting good solves. All right. I think I'm worrying too much about the result that it's kind of affecting my solves here. Okay. All right. All right. Oh my gosh, another terrible solve. Oh my. Oh, okay, actually good solve. Let's go, 16. This is the fastest time I've had so far during the session. All right, one last solve, guys. Let's finish off strong. Yeah, 25, 35. All right, guys. Average of 12 is 21.88 seconds, which is not the best for me. Oh my gosh, am I getting rusty or what? So guys, I'll try to stay consistent and practice, and yeah, hopefully I'll get a better time next month. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Oh, I forgot. Let me make the screen a little bit bigger so you guys can see the final results. Oh my. Oh shoot. All right. All right, here's my results, guys. I mean, I started off kind of strong, and then I kind of like I don't know, I choked during like the later solves here. But yeah, here's my times here. Wait, okay, yeah. Wait, why is this named session 2? What the frick? Bruh, what? Why is this named session 2? Okay, whatever. Alright guys, thank you for watching. And yeah. See ya. Bye-bye.